Hi guys, today I'm showing you how I made these delicious, crunchy and yummy mandazis using very few ingredients that you probably have in your cupboard. And guys, so I used 1.5 cups of self-raising flour. You can use all-purpose flour and then add baking powder, and I just went ahead and sifted that, then added 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more and then I just went ahead and give that a good mix, and then I added 1 tablespoon of margarine. You can add butter if you've got it at hand, and I just give that a good mix like you see on the video before going ahead to add a half cup of milk. You can use water, and that is why I said that you only need 3 ingredients to make the mandazis. That is just flour, sugar and margarine. As for milk, you can substitute that with water if you do not have milk at hand. And guys, after kneading and after the ingredients come together like you see, just pour the dough to a working surface, and then you're going to continue kneading these until you get a smooth dough like you see on the video, elastic. And the purpose of kneading is just to activate the gluten in it so that the mandazis can be soft. And after kneading the dough, you're just going to cover it and then leave it for 30 minutes to rest. And after 30 minutes, like you can see, the dough looks so soft, felt so soft guys. And I just now continued with the next step. Just roll the dough out like you see on the video, and the idea is not to make it too thin or too thick like you're going to see. And then now, using my knife, I just went ahead and cut some nice squares. Is it squares or rectangles? I'm not so sure. They were not perfect squares anyway. You can cut to any shape that you like, any that you desire. Triangles, squares would be perfectly fine. So I was saying that these mandazis are perfect for any time that you are in a hurry to make breakfast, or sometimes when you want to make snacks. They are perfect because you do not need a lot of time to make them. And also, as for the ingredients, like you've seen, most of us have got these ingredients in our cupboard, so it is just a matter of taking them out and making the mandazis. And heat some oil in medium to low flame. And here, like you can see, I was just testing the oil if it is heated to the best temperature, and then I went ahead and added the mandazis like you see guys. And you do not want to cook the mandazis in cold oil, and also you do not want them to cook in very high heat, so just warm the oil, and then after that lower your heat to medium low, and then you're just going to add the mandazis and just keep turning until they are fully cooked guys. And I like mine to have a golden brown color, so that is what I was looking to achieve at this point. And also, since the mandazis were not too thin, I was allowing them some time to cook fully on the inside, just to avoid having raw dough on the inside that is not cooked. And that is now the advantage of using low flame, because the mandazis will not be hurried into the cooking. And guys, making these mandazis did not even take me 1 hour. I took less than that. It was in the morning, and guys, I can assure you that if you do this recipe, it will not take you much time. And also on the side, do have a kitchen towel just to drain off excess oil once the mandazis are cooked. At this point, I was still not so satisfied with that color, so I went ahead and continued cooking just to get the perfect color for me. And if you've got ginger spice or cinnamon spice, you can add it in here. I did not have it at hand. I like to add it, but since I was out, so I just skipped that. Or you can even use lemon. And after the mandazis were ready, like you can see guys, these mandazis were so delicious. I love them so much, and I hope that you try out this recipe guys. And if you like it, do let me know on the comment section, and I hope you watch another video on this channel, and I'll be seeing you on my next video. Have a nice time, and bye bye.